So hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful painting. This art is called Manjusa painting. In this, the fabric is hand painted, as you can see, and it's so beautifully painted. And these all bags are 100% handmade with hand painting. So beautiful. See, there are n numbers of bags. These are all done by artisans. We have bags, stools, scarves, saris, suits. So beautiful. It's a really a matter of hard work. So beautiful. Wow. So we'll speak with her. मैम, आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name?
अंजना कुमारी।
अंजना कुमारी.
जी।
So इस पेंटिंग का नाम क्या है? आर्ट का नाम?
इस आर्ट का नाम मंजूषा आर्ट है।
Manjusa art. So this art is called Manjusa art. So since how long you are doing this? आप कब से ऐसा कर रही है ये काम?
ये हम शुरू से ही अपनी माँ को बनाते हुए देखते थे और हम अपनी माँ से ही सीखे हैं, तो हम बचपन से ही देख रहे हैं और उसके बाद हम अपना कर
So
रहे हैं।
she is doing this art since her childhood. She used to see her mother painting, and she has got this art from her mother. So we can say like this is a inbuilt art, the art which she is carrying from her mother, and she's so. आपके बच्चे भी ये काम कर रहे हैं?
अभी तो वो छोटे हैं, वो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
Okay.
वो भी आर्ट से जुड़े हुए वो भी बनाते हैं।
Okay, so she's saying like she got this art from her mother, and right now her children also are very interested in art. Nice, बहुत खूबसूरत है. It's a matter of great perfection. See, ये वॉशेबल होता है ये?
बिल्कुल
रंग तो नहीं उड़ता?
नहीं।
Oh, so good. So this is washable. You can wash it. The painting won't get faded. Very good. आपसे अच्छा लगा बात करके. Thank you very much. Bye.